Have you ever wondered what's hidden in a simple drop of water? Well, prepare to be amazed, because today, we're diving into a microscopic world that's teeming with life. Using a high-powered microscope, we're about to reveal an unexpected universe, a bustling city of tiny creatures you won't believe are living right under our noses. Imagine a world so small, it's invisible to the naked eye. This is the realm we're about to explore. We'll start with a single drop of water, perhaps from a pond, a puddle, or even your tap. To the unaided eye, it just looks like, well, water. But under the lens of a microscope, everything changes. As we zoom in, the first thing you'll likely notice is the incredible variety. There are tiny organisms of all shapes and sizes, each one a testament to the diversity of life on Earth. Some are fast, darting across the screen like miniature torpedoes. Others are slow and graceful, drifting through the water like tiny dancers. Some are transparent, almost ghostly, while others sport vibrant colors and intricate patterns. Among the most common inhabitants are the protozoa, single-celled organisms that exhibit a remarkable range of behaviors. You might see paramecia, shaped like tiny slippers, zipping through the water with incredible speed. Or you might spot amoebas, shapeless blobs that engulf their food with a slow, deliberate grace. Then there are the flagellates, with their whip-like tails that propel them through the water. But the protozoa aren't the only ones in this hidden world. You'll likely encounter rotifers, multicellular animals with crown-like structures that beat, creating a current to draw in food. These creatures are like miniature versions of larger animals, complete with specialized organs and systems. And let's not forget the algae. These plant-like organisms come in a rainbow of colors and shapes, from simple green spheres to intricate star-shaped structures. They form the base of the food chain in this microscopic world, providing sustenance for many of the other creatures. As you watch these creatures move, feed, and interact, you'll gain a new appreciation for the complexity of life. What seems like a simple drop of water is, in reality, a vibrant ecosystem with each organism playing its part. It's a reminder that life in all its diversity is all around us, even in the most unexpected places. So, the next time you see a puddle or a drop of water, remember the hidden universe teeming within. It's a testament to the wonders of nature and the power of observation. The microscopic world is a reminder that there's always more to see, to learn and to appreciate. Isn't that amazing?